the superstar. है ना? Would you learn how to draw a map? Can a cat also learn? Yes? No, you don't want to. अच्छा नीचे रख start हो गया. Hi guys. So we meet again. So can a cat learn how to draw a map?
Yeah, anyone can learn.
अच्छा ठीक है. So he has also learned how to draw an India map, and you are also here to learn how to draw an India map. And if you've not watched part 1 of the video, then I would suggest that you also watch part 1 of the video. Okay, uske bina the rules of the map drawing are not there. And Jay, what standard are you in?
I'm in 6th.
6th standard. And you know how to draw the map?
Yeah, I know how to draw the map.
Anyone? So can they share this video with their like family members who are in school also?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So warm welcome to all of you. Part 2 of the video, and we will be talking about map drawing actually, and we would need some pen and pencil and paper, so sit down with that. Or agar rules nahi dekhe, make sure you watch the rules also. Get that? So on the other side of this session, we will meet again, once again. See you there.
Bye-bye.
Perfect. So let's practice. Let's look at the fragments of India map. और फिर उस पे चलेंगे. तो पहले तो कश्मीर बनाते हैं. तो we always start with 2 boxes, 2 rectangles, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangles. Get that? Now both the rectangles are not same in size. Both the rectangles are not same in size. There are people who would not have seen India map. बहुत दिन से तुम इंडियन तो हो, पेट्रियोटिक भी हो, मैप नहीं देखा है और व्हाट्सएप पे आजकल मैप भेजने रहा है. वो दुनिया के जो भी मैप बना रहा है. Can you see this? This one is a little bigger. This one is a little bigger, and this one. So, but this is not rectangle. I told you, no. We are cutting on that curves and that shaky map. Get that? So this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. I'm going to make them. So quickly, everybody. I hope you have a blank sheet with you. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a big rectangle here and a small rectangle here. Get that? And to that we are going to attach one more chotu rectangle and this. And then this. Can you see this neck is also needed? Remember, this neck is Himachal Pradesh. If you forget this, big problem. Get that? And what is on this side? It is this. So is the head of India prepared? Get that? Quickly, be with me. To this, what we are going to do is we are going to attach Nepal. And can you see a curvature like this? So students, I'll teach you. Now this is Sikkim and this is Bhutan. If Nepal is x, then Bhutan is smaller, x by 2. Do we get that? And I have not made it a straight line, I have given it a curve. Can you see that? There is a curve also. Why? I'll train you when I'm teaching you Himalayas that the shape of Himalayas is an arc-like shape. We call it an arcuate shape. Do we get that? Yeah, the clear? So let me draw this, what I have taught you till now. So there is this big rectangle, a little smaller rectangle over here, another rectangle, then the neck, then this is also very important, these two. This is the shoulder, neck and shoulder. Shoulder is Uttarakhand. If you miss that, remember Uttarakhand miss हो जाएगा, फिर नेपाल को काला पानी के साथ तुम उत्तराखंड भी दे दोगे. You can imagine, तुमसे बड़ा गद्दार कोई नहीं. Nepal and Bhutan. Do we get that? This is what I have done. First fragment done. Let's go to Bhutan once again and let's go for northeast. Is everyone with me on this? I hope you are following me. So this is Bhutan. This is Bhutan. Okay. Now in Bhutan, what will I do? I'll make a straight line like this. Then I'll add a L, English letter L. Is everyone okay? So this is Bhutan. I made a straight line like this, almost 45 degrees. This is Bhutan. Sorry, this is that line. And then I made an L. And then what I'll do? I'll make a curve. Again, curve like, arc like. not a straight line, arc like quickly. Hear that? And then I'll bring this. This is Manipur. This is Manipur. So let me make it here, because there the page is getting ended over there. Arc like. So this is Manipur. Then I go for Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Fingers. Can you see this? One finger like this, another finger like this. Two fingers, and then I go flat on this. This is northeast, everyone. What is this? Northeast. So northeast, remember, stroke A, this line, B is that L, C is that curve, D is that Manipur line, straight line, E is Mizoram, F is Tripura, and G is this straight line. Is everyone with me? Quickly draw this, and I'll give you a 30-second break after this recap. So everyone pay attention. Pay attention, stop drawing and look at this and see what I have said just now. Am I going to put that in action or not? So look at the video. I'll start with Jammu and Kashmir. The rectangles are done. The shoulder is done. I go for Nepal. I go for Bhutan. I go for this line. Remember this, इसके ऊपर नहीं जाना है. Do not go above उत्तराखंड की लाइन. और यहाँ पर क्या किया? L. Then this. 1, 2, 3. Do we get that? Is everyone with me on this? See, world map was easy. World map was faster. But this way, we have learned this. So quickly, you draw. Now the box is for you. Let us see how many of you are able to draw this. And in the comment box, give me a half done tick mark. Because this is India half done. Sir, this is not done. अरे बहुत सारा कर दिया आपने India. Half done. इसके बाद India becomes very easy. Some detailing over here. Always pay focus. 3 rectangles, then the neck, then the shoulder. Nepal, this Sikkim don't forget. Bhutan don't forget. This line, this L don't forget. This curve don't forget. And the 2 states of Mizoram and Tripura also coming in. Quickly, let me see the chat box. If you are liking it, put it on the chat box. Quickly, all of this. Okay, very good, half done. Thank you for confirming. They are telling us that the GDP of Bangladesh is going better than India. कुछ करो यार. Bangladesh बनाए. So let's learn Bangladesh. So this was one state, second state ऐसा आया हमारा. Yes. Now what we'll do is we'll go like this. And remember, we used to have a mathematics statistics class. We used to have a summation symbol. What was this? Sigma. Remember? So what I am going to do in Bangladesh is I am going to attach this sigma. Okay? And then I can go vertically down, but what I will do is I will go slightly into Bangladesh. Remember, I am a little patriotic. थोड़ा patriotic हो तो बांग्लादेश की territory खाना चाहता. I will not go vertically down, I will go with slight tilt over there. So how are we drawing this? Everyone on the screen, please. So this was Bangladesh. So what will I do? I will attach a sigma. So see, this is Sikkim. So beneath Sikkim, I will flatten this and then I will attach that sigma. 1. This sigma is done. Now I will take that line south towards Bangladesh and then bring this horizontal line. This is Sundarban. Sundarban Delta. Do we get that? Sundarban Delta has been there. So people who have not done that, once again on the screen, please look at this. Stop drawing. 2 boxes. Third box, the neck, the shoulder, Nepal, Bhutan, L, curve, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, sigma. Take some territory of Bangladesh and then flat line. Is everyone okay? ये किया अभी तक. Are we done? Okay, let's move further. Let me train you further. Forget that. So what we are going to do is, now this is Bangladesh for us. This is Bangladesh. Sigma and the line going like that, and this is Sundarban Delta. From Sundarban Delta, what will I do? I will bring a curve like this, and here I will attach a W or a 3 over here. What is this? Krishna, Godavari, Delta. So have you heard of river Godavari? So river Godavari is flowing here, it forms a delta, and here we have river Krishna flowing in, that also forms a delta. Where? Andhra Pradesh we are looking at, KG basin. You have heard of KG basin? And then what will happen? We will have a line like this. This is our east coast of India. East coast of India. So what did I do? After Bangladesh, element number A is this horizontal line. This horizontal line is Sundarban Delta. Then this line is the coast of Odisha. Then KG basin, the delta, and then this curve here, the east coast. Is everyone okay? अच्छा सर ये तो ठीक लग रहा है, but how will I draw it? So everyone, please stop. I'll give you a chance. This also is being practiced. So let me draw once again. Everybody on the screen. Again my rectangles, you can speak with me. Rectangles, how many? 3 rectangles. The neck, the shoulder, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, the L, the curve, states of Tripura, Mizoram, and this is coming to be Bangladesh, sigma, taking some territory from Bangladesh, horizontal line, then this, then the delta, and then this curve. Everyone, there is a trick here, trick. Where to draw delta? I am not drawing it randomly. ये जो नेपाल है ना, exactly इसके नीचे बना रहा हूँ. I have something in my mind. So there is a trick to this. As I told you, where to stop this? The trick was, this line will tell me. Likewise, where will be the delta coming? That Nepal line. And where will I stop this? Because this point is going to be Kanyakumari. Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari. So what will I do is, I have a trick here also. Do you see this line? ये vertically नीचे, vertically at the bottom. I'll stop. You might think that the teacher knows it, but I have done this. This is the real 50% of India. 50% of India. So last time in the comment box, you did not give me a thumbs up with half done. This time I want, ये रहा आपका box. जल्दी से बनाओ. This is your box. Quickly give me a half done India. Everyone, whosoever is looking at me, rectangle, the neck, the shoulder, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, and then the line going up, the L, the curvature, Bangladesh, you know what to do, Sundarban, Odisha coast, KG basin, and Tamil Nadu coast. Tamil Nadu coast is called the Coromandel coast, and the Odisha coast is called Utkal coast, and this is what? Sundarban. See, the east coast is also done. Quickly, I hope you got it. कोई नहीं बता रहा मैप बनाना, एंड आई एम सेइंग मैप से 20 मार्क्स में फर्क पड़ जाता है. एंड आई हैव सीन, यू नो, आई विल शो यू वन टीचर ऑन इंटरनेट ट्रेनिंग हिज स्टूडेंट्स हाउ टू ड्रॉ इंडिया मैप, एंड ये बनाया उसने. And then he says this is the best map, and then he says with practice you will be able to draw as good as me. Abhi this fellow should be put under, you know, treason charges. गद्दारी कर रहा है यार, ये देश के साथ ऐसा कर रहा है. इंडिया का मैप ऐसे बना रहा है, इस पर तो मतलब सच में डिसरिस्पेक्ट ऑफ नेशनल सिंबल लग जाना चाहिए. चलो जल्दी से, क्विकली, आई एम वेटिंग, आई एम गोइंग ऑन द चैट बॉक्स टू सी आर यू 50% डन. Okay, very good yaar. Half done, half done, half done. Perfect. Confidently done or not? अच्छा भी आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? I hope you are getting it well also. I hope you are not only learning to draw and you are also feeling, you know, proud कि यार ये मैं बना सकता हूँ. I can also draw it, and as I told you, you have hands, you have a pencil, I can train anyone into drawing a map. It's just something, a block in the mind, and you just have some idea of proportions, it can happen. वैसे मेरे मन में खुरापात आ रही है, I am feeling very, you know, like थोड़ा सा naughtiness आ रही है. इतने पे छोड़ दूं, आधा मैप बना के, आधा हो गया, आधा सीख लिया, क्या टेंशन है. Live with this. अर्धनारीश्वर अवतार ऑफ इंडिया, हाफ डन एंड हाफ लेफ्ट, हाफ मिस्ट्री रखते हैं, छोड़ें इसको. आई डोंट नो. सो इफ आई वाज इन अ रियल क्लास, आई वुड हैव सीन, आई वुड हैव वॉक्ड अप टू यू इन माय बैचेस. आई वॉक अप टू माय स्टूडेंट्स टू सी वेयर दे आर डूइंग. इतने में तो काम बन गया होगा. चलो फिर से एक बार रिपीट कर रहा हूं. रिपीट इज द की. स्पीक विद मी. रेक्टेंगल, 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 नेक, शोल्डर, नेपाल, सिक्किम, भूटान, L, curve, sigma, take territory of Bangladesh. Now someone might be, you know, like very Bangladesh friendly. बोलेगा सर आप ऐसा कितना गलत सिखा रहे हो. यार ऐसे ही कह रहा हूँ, मैप में बोल रहा हूँ. आई नो बांग्लादेश इज डूइंग रियली वेल यार, GDP में, हेड्स ऑफ, कितना सही जा रहा है वो. And I want to tell you, I think Bangladesh economy, nothing to be, you know, like this thing about that. They've really worked on that, so they are doing well. And obviously, they are a much smaller economy than India. We should be happy if our neighbor is prosperous and peaceful. That goes in favor of India. We are the big brother here. We should be happy with their prosperity also. ठीक है? Important lines. Can you see that? So this should have been done. चलिए, West Coast देखें. West Coast में I have a very special line for all of you to keep in mind. Sundarban line is my reference line. Everyone, Sundarban line is a very important reference line. And this also, the outer edge of Kashmir is also very, very important reference line. They will help me to draw my remaining map. If I don't have these lines, the proportions will go out. So the green lines, are you able to see that? Now I want to tell you their intersection is going to be the point of Gujarat, the Gulf of Khambat. So what I'll do is, I'll straight away take this and connect this to Kanyakumari with a curve, not a straight line, a curved line. Get that? थोड़ा सा straight आ रहा है, फिर से curve कर रहा हूँ. Slightly curved line. थोड़ा सा intersection के बाहर आ गया, sorry. My mistake. Intersection पे नहीं आना है, intersection से थोड़ा बाहर जाना है. My mistake. Not exactly on the intersection. Yes. Slightly distant from this. Do we get that? Remember that? Okay. अब इस पे क्या करना है? Very, very important. Pay attention, everyone. I am changing my color of the pen So here what we are going to do, we are going to make 1 to Gujarat. Do we get that? So गुजरात बनाने के लिए क्या लगेगा, ऐसे ही लाइन आया, ये गल्फ ऑफ खम्बट है, इसको ऐसे कंप्लीट किया, और ये गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ है, खम्बट एंड कच्छ. Now again, as I told you, you might be very patriotic, एकदम अक्षय कुमार की तरह, the Canadian citizen that we have. देख लो इंडिया मैप, दिस इज गल्फ ऑफ खम्बट, ऐसे बनता है गुजरात. समझ में आया? गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ. So all the people who have not seen India map for so long, and you are saying that you are the only patriotic person in this country, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whatever we are looking at. Can you see this in Bangladesh? बांग्लादेश की लाइन सीधी नहीं थी, थोड़ा उधर गया मैं. This is Sundarban. Can you see that? And here comes your Krishna Godavari Delta. This is the Coromandel coast. Can you see Kanyakumari? From here I took a straight line here, almost in the line of Sundarban Delta. See, at the intersection, slightly coming out of that, and then I have drawn these two. और उसके बाद very very important, ये राजस्थान है. राजस्थान के लिए don't go straight, get into Pakistan. थोड़ा देशभक्ति दिखाओ. Don't go straight, take this territory into Pakistan. This is there. If you go straight, फिर तुम्हें पता है अर्नब देख रहा है तुमको, कभी भी बुला लेगा. कहाँ हो, सामने आओ. Yes. So what I am going to do, everyone pay attention. इधर गया, I'll head towards Pakistan. थोड़ा सा पाकिस्तान की तरफ टर्न किया, I'll make a lobe like this and then come back here. This is my India map. Is everyone okay with India map? This is 50% and this is 100% now. फिर मौका दूंगा, don't worry. I know you want a repeat on this. I will go for a repeat on this. West Coast भी बनाऊंगा. This is the West Coast that we have. I hope you've learned that, and I am saying with the practice. You know that fellow who was teaching map making. Imagine, you know, like what audacity. And YouTube पे सिखा रहा है वो. And the students are clapping, and he's saying, if you practice it 30 to 50 times, draw it, you will be as good as me. इसे अर्नब के पास भेजना चाहिए यार, ये एंटी नेशनल है. Do we get that? So how do we draw it? Once again, West Coast देखें सिर्फ, West Coast. So this is Kanyakumari, remember? Yeah, Kanyakumari. So यहाँ से will go like this. ये. So that's my stroke number 1. इसमें क्या आया? गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु. Get that? And then what do we do? Remember Gulf of Khambat? ये गुजरात के लिए. The Kathiawar Peninsula, the Kutch Peninsula, and then go towards Pakistan. और ये एक लोब बनाया ऐसे इतना. This is what here is our, this is the ocean, no? So west coast plain, coastline, and this is Pakistan. Get that? Gulf of Khambat also done. So what is B? Keep an eye on this Gulf. C is the Kathiawar Peninsula, D is this, and E is this. And where do we take it? इसको लेकर जाएंगे सीधा पंजाब, पंजाब एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश, एंड देन फाइनली कनेक्टेड और इंडिया बन जाएगा. Get that? So quickly take a fresh sheet, everyone. Let's see whether you are able to do that or not. Fresh sheet लिया, turn your notebook around, 2 parts. Let's see, we are drawing a map, and draw with me. So box number 1, box number 2. I am in box number 2. One easy रहेगा तुम लोग के लिए. So everyone, we are going to draw one. So everyone, please make sure on the screen Never make the rectangles over here. If you make the rectangles over here, फिर गुजरात कहाँ बनाओगे? Whenever you are making an India map, start from the center or at least slightly left of the center, but not leaving anything over there. And remember, we have to have margin on the east also. So एकदम लाइन के पास नहीं रखना, थोड़ा सा दूर. One rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, the neck, the shoulder. Nepal, speak. What comes next? Sikkim. Bhutan, L, curve, Mizo, Tripura. Just beneath Sikkim, sigma. Bring the line down, horizontal, KG basin, see, I have not drawn the reference lines here because I know what is there. And now what I am going to do? Gujarat. Is everyone okay with that? Quickly draw this and practice on this. First draw one, people who have drawn one, practice here, and if you have drawn it correct and you are proud of it, please give me full done. Last time on the comment box, chat box, you had given me half done, now give me full done. Quickly. Not exactly like yours, but with practice sooner it will be okay. Or somebody's saying full done, better. So everyone, thank you for confirming full done, and if you are done with this, this box was for you, second one. And some of you just started it, just got a hang of it. You don't have to stop till you perfect it. So in my next class, you have my WhatsApp number. Before my next class, I would want you to have drawn at least this map 10 times, so that in the end, please submit to me on WhatsApp a sheet with 4 maps on it. 4 maps on it, and do not submit poor maps. I am not taking that. There are people who are non-serious about any examination. People who are writing this examination, they are able to submit well structured, well sensible maps. एकदम सही map submit करते हो. Do we get that? 4 maps. And my sheet is very east-west oriented. This is a very landscapish sheet. But in reality, you will get a A4 sheet. बहुत मजे से आएंगे 4 map. So 1, 2, 3, 4 maps are needed. Get that? So this is going to be your A4 size sheet. On that sheet, I want you to send me on WhatsApp 4 maps. Get that? And don't send me your first 4 maps. Send me after you've worked on your errors. No, पहले बताया तो इसीलिए तो ये सारा कराया यार. We started with this. See, first, time should be less, size should be small as possible. Avoid detailing clockwise, and everyone can draw it. We looked at the rectangular Jammu and Kashmir, then the neck and the shoulder, then the difference between size of Nepal and Bhutan, the ratio 1:2. That in between is Sikkim. Then I showed you that line going over there, attaching a L and then arc like eastern frontier with Myanmar. Then this is a flat line. This is your Manipur. Then Mizoram, Tripura. Manipur is very important, so you must draw this flat line. Many people forget this. This element D is very, very important. Where we have the lake Loktak. You've heard of that floating national park of India, Loktak Lake. It is over there. Get that? And then I showed you after this how to work on Bangladesh, that sigma which we made. Yes. and after that I showed you the east coast, the Sundarban Delta, the Utkal Plain, the KG Basin, and the Coromandel Coast, and then the west was easy. And that intersection line will help you find out where to keep that. It's all about proportions. Okay, everyone. Remember, rule number one. Rule number one was should be finished in 15 seconds. अब ये पता नहीं 15 seconds में होता है या 20 seconds में होता है या नहीं होता है. मैं ट्राई करूं क्या? Do I try? So when I say start, then we will start, and people, can you pull out your stop clocks? Pull out your stop clocks. When you say start, then I'll do that. Okay, are we ready? So when I say start, then we will do that. So start. Stop. Does it look like India? Tell me how many seconds? Quickly, let me go to the chat box. How many seconds? If anybody kept the seconds. If you had kept the seconds quickly. कोई सेकंड नहीं लिख रहा था, तुम लोग मजे ले रहे थे. $18 seconds. Okay. Somebody said 19 seconds. Okay, once again. एक बार फिर से करते. See, it's not easy to draw on this because if it was a sheet of paper, I would have done that. But still, I am doing that. So somebody tells me 18 to 19 seconds. और कम करते. So, do you have your stop clocks with you? When I say start, then we will start. Okay. So, are we ready? Start. This you kept some time. Quickly tell me how much for this, just to demonstrate here, just to demonstrate with time, with practice you will do that. So quickly tell me how much for this, how much time did I take for the second one? Trust me, drawing on the tablet is always a challenge. On paper, I worked, when I was writing the exam, I worked on nothing more than 15 seconds. But on this, the grip and everything goes very difficult. Hear that? So, now how can we use it? How can we use it? Everyone, pay attention to this suppose I have just drawn, these maps for you. I have just drawn these maps for you, and what can I use these maps for? What can I use these maps for? Say for example, I am saying coal in India, oil in India, black soil in India, metal reserves in India. Do we get that? Very, very simple. Coal is found in these rift valleys. India's coal is found in these rift valleys. I will show you where this coal was there. So, in my classes on India Physical Geography, Gondwana coal. Gondwana was the time when this happened. Oil. I want to tell you there were 3 areas in India which during geological time, areas under marine transgression. So, this area got submerged under the sea, marine transgression happened, and as a result oil has been over there. I want to tell you that India passed over a hotspot volcano called the Reunion hotspot. So, this is the basalt lava zone. I also want to tell you that India has certain metal shields. Chota Nagpur Plateau, we are looking at the Satpura region, we are looking at the Karnataka shield, Meghalaya shield, East Coast shield. So, what are these? Shields of India. So, I am saying quickly, if we know how to draw a map, you will see that you will be able to powerfully illustrate whatever we are looking at. Say for example, this is the geological highlights of India, very clearly. So, what I am saying is you can write whatever you want to. You can write whatever you want to in your answer, but if you have the art of drawing small maps, short maps, quickly and in well proportioned way, you will get marks. भाई ये तो बहुत अच्छा map है. This is a very top quality map. This is for training purposes. I am saying this is a very top quality map. This is for training purposes. In the examination, students are actually submitting these maps. They are quick ones. I demonstrated to you that I drew this map in probably 18 seconds. These are very much possible, and I am saying when I was preparing for the exam, then I was very well trained to do all this in 15 seconds, one map in 15 seconds. And the illustration also does not take time. So, hi everyone, we are back. I am very sure that you have learned how to draw India map. Was it easy? I don't know, it will take practice. क्यों जय? Practice लगेगा कि नहीं?
एकदम practice तो मैंने सीखा है.
Okay, so practice से आप लोग भी सीख जाएंगे. Jay is a little frozen in front of the camera. Jay रोज कैमरा में बात नहीं करता है. So that's absolutely okay. So if you like this, please make sure you like, press the like button, share it with others, and comment होने चाहिए.
हाँ, comment होना चाहिए. You can comment that even little kids can learn how to draw a map. And if you know
School kids के साथ share करें.
if you know any school going kids, you can share this video to them also.
Okay, thank you, and we will be coming with more videos, and this one was only for India map. इसके बाद we will be coming with world map and various other series on that. Jay, which one is your favorite subject these days?
Geography.
Geography?
Yes.
Don't tell me, you said you call it INS over there. What is INS?
Individuals and society.
So these days geography is not called geography, his subject is individuals and society. So in that he learns a lot about geography and other things. So I do train him into many things. So these days Jay is learning a lot of world geography with me. I would be sharing those videos also. So look forward to Success Space. This channel is going to bring you a lot of information and a lot of excitement. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And as I welcome you to this video, I would also want to inform you about our support on social media. We have some Telegram channels as well as this YouTube channel, which I would request you to like, subscribe and share. The Telegram channels, which will inform you, educate you, and provide you a lot of meaningful information, are based on writing. So you can have a daily answer writing on that channel. You can have something about geography, environment related matters, and above all, if you are preparing for civil services and you are looking for crisp handwritten notes, the GS Crisp Handwritten Notes channel is for that.